Hey guys, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam and khamma ghani to all of you. Welcome to today's class, bachcho, and today we are talking about CBSE 9 in one shot, and the topic is surface area and volumes, right? So this topic we are going to discuss today, and let us start the class. Actually, this is not a live class; it is a premiered one. Okay, all right, so let us start the class. So as I was telling you, beta, surface area and volume in CBSE 9. So we'll be first going through all the formulas and then we'll be solving some questions. All right. So first thing, beta, plane figures like 2D figures, your circle, square, rectangle, they all come under the category of 2D figures or the plane figures because we can put them on a plane surface. Then comes the part of solids or solid figures or 3D shapes. If I keep it on a plane surface, they will come out of it. For example, if suppose my palm is a plane, okay. Now, if I keep my phone on it, the phone is coming out of the plane surface because it has some height. So that is why it will be called a 3D solid. All right. Now, understanding the meaning of all these three is very important. Remember first thing, the volume. Okay, remember this thing. What is a volume? Volume is the capacity of any object. What is volume? Volume is capacity of any object or space occupied by any solid. How much space is being occupied by any solid? For example, let us say if I ask you that I have this setup. Okay, my setup is over here, table, chair, all that. So if I ask you how much space I am occupying in this room, so I will find out the volume which I am getting it over here, that much space I am occupying over here. Suppose if I have to keep pack this phone in any bag, so I will see how much space if its phone is occupying, just find out the volume of this phone. Got it? So space occupied or capacity, that means how much material any solid shape can hold. Okay, so how much water this can hold, it will be your volume. Then comes the part of surface area. Surface area mein bit of us will be talking about total surface area. So total surface area is nothing but area of all the faces of a solid shape. Area of all the faces. If I combine the area of all the faces, then it will be called a total surface area. Okay. Then comes the lateral or curved surface area. So remember, lateral or curved surface area is area of all the surfaces except top and bottom. So we do not include the area of top and the area of bottom. So in a way, I can say that the curved surface area or the lateral surface area is from the area of all the surfaces, remove the area of top and remove the area of bottom. Another way of writing it is that if I shift this top and bottom over there, I can also say total surface area will be area curved surface area. In that, add the area of top and add the area of bottom. Right? So these two things are very important. All right. Then comes some solids which are there in our syllabus. So one is your cube, solid shape having six equal square faces. So let us say every length is L. Then the lateral surface area. Remember the lateral surface area term, we use it for cube and cuboid. Okay. And lateral surface area is same thing. Area of all surfaces except top and bottom or leaving top and bottom. So lateral surface area is 4L square. TSA is 6L square, volume is L cube, diagonal is root 3L. You remember, diagonal जो होता है ना बेटा, diagonal is like joining this end with this end, opposite ends. This is body diagonal. Okay, so this is your for cube. The formula for cuboid, the length, breadth and height. These three things are very important. So first is your lateral surface area, 2 times of L plus B into H. Total surface area, 2 times of LB plus BH plus LH. Volume is L into B into H and is the formula for your diagonal. Again, remember this thing. Diagonal is the body diagonal from one end to the opposite point. Suppose if you are sitting in a room, so from this corner till the opposite corner, that joint, that line, the length of that line will be called the diagonal of the cuboid. Alright, then comes the part of cylinder. Cylinder can be formed by rolling a rectangular surface along its length. Okay, suppose if I roll it like this, so this H will remain H. So this is called height of the cylinder, and this length L has been converted into the circumference of this solid, which is, let us say, if radius is R over here, so L is becoming equal to 2 pi r. Okay, so area of this is L into H, this surface. So curved surface area of cylinder also should be equal to L into H. L is 2 pi r into H. So from here you get the formula for the curved surface area as 2 pi r H. In that, add the area of top, which is pi r square, and add the area of bottom, which is pi r square. So you will get 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r H. So 2 pi r into H plus r. Okay, and then your volume is pi r square H. Wait, it is just a second. Pi r square H. Volume is what? Pi r square H. Area of the base into height. Area of the base into height. Pi r square H for cylinder. Okay. Now for cone. Cone can be found by rotating a rectangle by fixing one of the side. If I fix this one side, either perpendicular or base, and if I rotate it, I will get a cone, right circular cone. So cone mein beta, remember this thing. One thing is very important. This H is called your height. This R is called your radius. The important thing is this L. It is called slant height, small l. And the formula for small l, you can get it from over here. L square is H square plus R square, or we can say L is equal to under root of H square plus R square. Alright. Now remember, the curved surface area of a cone is pi r L, and total surface area. So if you will see, area of top will be equal to 0 because top is a point. Area of bottom will be pi r square. So pi r L plus pi r square, you can write it as pi r into L plus r. Pi r I have taken common. Alright. And then at the end, the volume formula. For cylinder, it is pi r square H. For cone, it will be 1 by 3 pi r square H. Cone's formula is what? 1 by 3 times of pi r square H. Alright. Then comes the part of your sphere, your ball. If I cut the sphere in two equal parts, you will get hemisphere. What do you get? Hemisphere, half of the sphere. Alright. Now, surface area of the sphere, if you will know. Suppose if I know the surface area of the sphere. So sphere surface area is 4 pi r square. Ab beta yaad rakhna, sphere is the only shape whose total surface area is equal to curved surface area, because the top and the bottom of the sphere both are point. So the area of top is also equal to 0 and area of bottom is also equal to 0. So both are equal to 0. So the remaining surface area is 4 pi r square. So TSA will be CSA plus top plus bottom. Top and bottom is 0. So again TSA is also 4 pi r square. Got it? Both are same. Now if I come to the part of hemisphere. So in hemisphere beta, we have a half sphere. Okay. So for hemisphere, if I take the area this part. So I know the total was 4 pi r square. This will be 2 pi r square only. So curved surface area of a hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Now, if I will see, the bottom for a hemisphere is a point. So area of the bottom is equal to 0. Then at the top there is a circular surface. So area of the circular surface will be pi r square. So 2 pi r square plus pi r square will become 3 pi r square. Okay? 3 pi r square. And after that volume, so volume for a volume for a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube, and volume for a hemisphere is half of it because they were cutting it into equal parts. So 2 by 3 pi r cube. Alright. These are all your formulas. Very important. Do remember the formulas. Alright. More than remembering the formulas, the important thing is which concept should be applied. Whether we should apply the formula for volume or TSA or CSA. So understanding the meaning of all three is very important. Alright. Now, let's move ahead. Those students who are still having difficulties in their final examination, if you want to score good marks, you're still facing some one or the other difficulties, Vedantu Pro subscription is a very good choice for you right now. You will get live classes, doubt solving, you can download notes, quizzes, everything is there. So you can register via the link given in the description box of this video, or you can click on the pinned comment. Remember, GPE Pro will be your coupon code to get 20% off. Alright, now look at the first question. What the question says: a small indoor greenhouse, herbarium. I think most of you must be knowing, like the glass, with glass they will make it and it will have its own ecosystem. They will grow plants inside it and all that. Alright, so a small indoor greenhouse is made entirely of glass pens, including base. So base, side, top, everything you have made using glass, held together with the tape. It is 30 centimeter long, 25 centimeter wide, and 25 centimeter high. That means it is in the shape of a cuboid. It is in the shape of the cuboid. Okay, 30 centimeter long, 25 centimeter wide, and 25 centimeter high. What they are saying? What is the area of the glass? Simple है. Area of the glass. All the surfaces are made of the glass, so they are asking us TSA. That means 2 times of LB plus BH plus LH. So I will say 2 times of 30 into 25 plus 25 into 25 plus 25 into 30. So you'll be getting 2 times of 25 into 30 is 750 plus 625 plus 750. So it will be 1500 plus 600 is 2100, 2125. 2125 into 2, 2125 into 2 will be equal to 4250 centimeter square. This much area of the glass is there. This is the area of the glass used in making this herbarium. So okay, this is the first one. Second, what it is saying? Second, it is saying how much of tape is needed for all the 12 edges. That means they are saying, but you see, it is told clearly now that you are held together it with the tape. So every edge you have put a tape. Her edge pe beta you have put one tape. So how many edges will be there? So देखो बेटा ध्यान से, if you look at all the edges, okay, if you look at all the edges, तो H, 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 then B, 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 and then L, 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 and L. So 4 L edges, 4 B edges, and 4 H edges will be there. So length of tape needed will be equal to 4 times of L plus 4 times of B plus 4 times of H. But simple, look at the diagram. So 4 times of L is 30 plus 25 plus 25, which is 4 into 80, and 4 into 80 is 320 centimeters. So this is the this is the length of tape required for all the 12 surfaces. Okay. Alright, let's go for the next question. Find the lateral or curved surface area of a closed cylindrical petrol storage tank that is 4.2 meter in diameter and 4.5 meter high. So lateral CSA we have to find out. Okay, so let us find out the CSA. So curved surface area is equal to 2 pi RH. Alright, so you will be getting 22 by 7. Radius, see, 4.2 is diameter, radius will be 2.1 into 4.5. 7 ones are 7, 0.3 times. 4.5 into 2 is 9. 9 into 0.3 will be equal to 2.7. 2.7 into 22 if we have to do. So it will be equal to 59.4 centimeter square. Okay, this will be meter square, sorry, not centimeter square, meter square. 59.4 meter square, is it correct? 59.4 meter square, yes. So it is saying how much steel was actually used if 1/12 of the steel actually used was wasted in making the tank. So we have to make this tank. Okay, and as you can clearly see, it is a closed cylindrical tank. It is a closed cylindrical tank. That means this tank's curved surface area is made up of the steel, as well as the top is made up of the steel, as well as bottom is made up of the steel. So I can say that sir, actual steel which we require will be equal to TSA. So for the second one, we need to find out the TSA of this part. So TSA is 2 pi R into H plus R. So 2 into 22 by 7 into R. Radius is 2.1 into H is 4.5 plus 2.1. 4.5 plus 2.1 is 0.6 and 4 plus 2 is 6.6. All right, again 0.3, 0.3 into 2 is 0.6, 0.6 and 6.6. Here if we will multiply, I think it will be equal to 2 871 और 87.12 होना चाहिए. 87.12 I think nearby. Let's see. 87.12 meter square. Okay, so it is 87.12 meter square. Now see, here this is the main part. What they are saying, how much steel was actually used if 1/12 of the steel actually used was wasted in making the tank. So they have told that whatever steel was used, okay, whatever steel was used, 1/12 of that total steel which we got, okay, was wasted. It was wasted, okay, every time it will be wasted. So how much steel was actually used? By see, अब अपने को पता है कि this much area of steel is required, this much area of steel is required, but they are saying that we got some extra steel because we know that 1/12 of the steel will be wasted. So let us say the steel actually used is equal to, let us say, a meter square. Steel actually used is, let's say, a meter square. So I can say so a meter square, from that 1/12 of that is wasted. So a by 12 is wasted and the remaining is used in making the tank. The remaining is 87.12. So this part we need to solve. So I can say a into a, I have taken common, 1 by 12 is equal to 87.12. So a into, take LCM, 12 minus 1, 11 by 12 is equal to 87.12. So a is equal to 87.12 into 12 by 11. If you will solve this further, you will get a final answer as 95.04 meter square. 95.04 meter square. Alright, this is how this question will be done. Alright, तो ये थोड़ा सा important part था, that let's say actual steel used was equal to A and 1/12 of the actual steel used was wasted. So A minus A by 12 is wasted, so remaining is used, 87.12 is used. Bas, simple, done, done, done. Alright, this is how this question will be done. Next question. Curved surface area of a cone is 308 centimeter square and slant height is 14. Find the radius and TSA. Simple hai? Simple hai beta. By CSA is given as 308. So I can say pi r L is given to you equal to 308. Pi is 22 by 7. Radius we don't know. L is given as 14 is equal to 308. Okay. So I think 22 into 14 is 308 only. 308 into r by 7 is equal to 308. Shift cancelled. R is equal to 7 centimeters. The radius is 7 centimeter. Second thing, TSA. TSA for a cone is what, beta? Pi r into L plus r. So pi into r into L plus r. This to this got cancelled. You have got 22 into 21. So 2, 6, 4. 462 centimeter square. Alright, 462 centimeter square will be your correct answer. How easy it is. Very easy topic, beta. Only thing you need to understand what part should be used. Now see, a patient in a hospital is given soup daily in a cylindrical bowl of diameter 7 centimeter. Cylindrical bowl hai, dhyan se padhna. Listen, read very carefully. Clearly it has been told that the bowl is cylindrical of diameter 7 centimeters. So cylindrical bowl hai aisa. Diameter is 7 centimeter. If the bowl is filled up to a height of 4 centimeter, मान लो ऐसा 4 centimeter की height तक we are filling this bowl with soup. So the soup present in this in the form of a cylinder up to a height of 4 centimeter. How much soup the hospital has to prepare daily to serve 250 patients? Simple है I can first say कि sir soup required for one patient will be equal to pi r square h, pi into diameter is 7, so radius is 7 by 2, pi r square into height is 4. 7 to 7 got cancelled, 2 2s are 4, 4 got cancelled, 22 into 7 is 154 centimeter cube. This much soup is required for one patient. So soup required for 250 patients will be equal to 154 into 250 कर लो खत्म question. So when you multiply this, what you are getting? Okay, they have got 38500 centimeter cube. Okay, 38500 centimeter cube. And if you want to convert this into liters, so remember whenever we have to convert centimeter cube into liters, divide by 1000. So you'll be getting 38.5 liters. Alright, this is how this question will be done. Okay, let's go for the next question. Next question. A capsule of medicine is in the shape of a sphere of diameter 3.5 mm. So capsule is in the shape of a sphere of diameter 3.5 mm. How much medicine is needed to fill the capsule? Simple hai beta. Fill the capsule volume 4 by 3 into pi into r cube, since it is a sphere. So 4 by 3 into pi into diameter is 3.5. So radius will be 3.5 into 2 upon 3.5 into 2 into 3.5 upon 2. Solve this part. Okay. 2 this 4 got cancelled. 7 the 0.5 times. Okay. Then 3 will not get cancelled anywhere else. Nothing. So बस इसको simplify कर दोगे. So approximately 22.46 millimeter cube. Approximate answer. ठीक है 22.46 millimeter cube. Approximate answer. Alright, this is how this question will be done. Next question. If the curved surface area of a cylinder is 1760 centimeter square and its base radius is 14 centimeter, then its height. So we know beta CSA of the cylinder is how much? 2 pi r h. It is given as equal to 1760 centimeter square. So I can say sir 2 into pi upon c. Base radius is given as 14 and into h is equal to 1760. 7 1s are 7 2s are. It is equal to 88 into h is equal to 1760. H is equal to 1760 upon 88, which is equal to 20 centimeters. So height of the cylinder is 20 centimeters. Easy questions beta. You just have to understand the meaning of CSA, TSA and the volume. Rest everything is going to be very easy. Alright. Acha, before, as I was telling you, that the link is mentioned in the description box of this video for registration to Vedantu's Pro subscription. The course is there present till March 2021. Pro price is 2000, but if you apply the coupon code GPE Pro, you will be getting the whole course at rupees 1600. Very good deal right now for 2 months 1600, and all the subjects, maths, physics, chemistry, biology, SST, English, everything will be covered. It is around rupees 4 per class. Awesome deal right now. Get the most benefit out of it. Alright beta. So this is all in this class. Thank you so much for coming to the session, and I hope all of you enjoyed the session. Please revisit the session to complete the questions. Whenever you want to solve some questions, come to the video, just directly go to the question, solve it, see the answer, solve it, see the answer, and so on. You can also download the PDF from the description box as well. Alright, so thank you so much bacho. I will see you soon. Please don't forget to share the video with your friends, subscribe to the channel if you are new here, and like the video. Yeah, it doesn't take much time. Okay, so thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Sayonara. Khuda Hafiz to all of you. Bye bye.